Precast concrete toilets of VME are made of high-grade concrete. These are cast on monolithic molds and the wall thickness are very thin, making it light in weight for easy handling. Concrete surface is painted with anti-carbonization paints, making it long-lasting and durable. The toilets can be either Western or Indian style. Customizations are possible in the following way. Color of the paints, internal and external, can be changed. Artist work using stencils on the external side of the wall for ad promotion, or the company's name can be stenciled. Tiles can be avoided and special coatings can be given on the internal walls, which will resist water penetration into the concrete surface, and maintenance is very easy. It is hygienic. They are easy to transport from one location to another and does not need a separate foundation. It can be kept on a firm ground. It is very ideal for labor colonies, where several such toilets can be stacked next to each other and all the MEP lines can be interconnected. Unlike plastic, they don't get heated up or discharge any bad odor due to heat. They can be kept in open areas, even in hot summer climate, as it is comfortable for the user to be inside. Has long life, and even if there are some breakages while shifting, it can be repaired easily. It's a green product. Small water tank of up to 500 liters can be kept on top of it for water supply, which is not possible when we use a plastic toilet. Additional items like wash basin, solar panel for power can be attached to the toilet. It's a plug-and-play unit. It can be refurbished into a totally new unit. Plastic toilets are light in weight and they have to be anchored properly to the ground, and there are chances it can be moved in strong winds. It's a value for money product. For any further queries on products, feel free to contact us. 98400414400 or email us marketing@vmeprecast.com.